So I'll open up all services. I'm going to go to where it says Microsoft Entra ID, which is something similar to Active Directory as far as it does contain users and groups. It does contain a lot of things that are similar to Active Directory, but it's not the same thing. And that will make a lot more sense as we go through this course. I'm not going to overwhelm you in every single video with too much information. I'm going to give you just enough information to take you to the next step. So if I go to users, for instance, you'll see a list of all my different users that are in Entra ID. Now, it doesn't cost anything for Entra ID or to add users, but if I license those users, then it's going to cost additional money. So for instance, if I go into my other tab that I have open at admin.microsoft.com. This is the admin center for Microsoft 365. And you can see that in the admin center, I've got the same users. They show up here as well because it's synchronized between these two websites. So what's the difference between the Entra ID portal and the admin portal at Microsoft 365? Well, in the admin portal, I can buy things. Can't do that in the Azure portal. So in the admin portal at Microsoft 365, I can go to purchase services, and here I can purchase licenses for Entra ID, for Microsoft 365 Office, and for all those different services that I showed you that are running in the Azure portal. So if I choose to buy one, I can go ahead and apply it. And I'll be doing that a little bit later on in this course so you understand how to purchase licenses, apply them to users, and then use them. All important information in the AZ900 exam. These three different cloud models are used by organizations around the world, so be sure to have a clear understanding of them as you saw here.